I didn't intend to be making this video, but unfortunately, my favorite board got some serious damage. I've never seen this happen, but I actually got a through and through puncture. To prepare the area, I'm going to use 80 grit sandpaper and just try to get down in there and see what's actually going on, as I don't remember exactly where all the ribs are and I don't want to disturb any if I don't have to. Looks like we got our work cut out for us. Managed to cut out the hole on the top deck and the bottom deck. Deck patch is in. I got it to fit within about 1 millimeter, so I'm actually pretty happy about this. We're gonna flip it over and we're gonna deal with this monstrosity. See our nice little edge right here. It actually did well right up to the tape line. I did have to cut it a little bit and I didn't record that. But now we're gonna try to sand this flush. We are done. You can see the tiniest bit of outline because it is clear. I am not taking this down to like 2000, but you really can't feel it. You can see a little bit of discoloration from the epoxy here, but you actually can't see the sides of the patch. So this actually turned out better than the bottom, even though it looks a little discolored. That's actually epoxy that got into the Paulownia, which is exactly what I want to happen. So not sorry about that.